Okay, this is breaking in the last hour. Iranian TV state news has just announced that the Ayatollah has said that the world is in for a great surprise tonight, one that will always be remembered. Now, there was no further details. It was just a threat and a warning. What that means, nobody knows, but I figured I'd come out here and report on it. So everybody out there, be safe. Keep your head on a swivel. If you don't have any duct tape in your house, you should go buy some. Run to Walmart. Make sure you have enough duct tape for your windows and your doors. I mean, water. I don't know what else to suggest, but it's a pretty ominous threat, and one that I think we should take very seriously. So be safe out there.